In this lesson, I'm going to be talking about Hataf Patah. Similar to Kamatz Gadol and Patah, Hataf Patah also indicates the sound of A. The Nikkud sign looks like a Patah with a Shva on its right side. We will talk about Shva in a future section. Keep in mind that in most cases, Hataf Patah will decorate the letters Aleph, Chet, He, and Ain. Those are the guttural letters in the Hebrew alphabet. In rare cases, it will appear in other consonants. For convenience reasons, and only in this lesson, I may refer to the Nikkud sign only as Hataf instead of Hataf Patah. Let's see a simple example. Let's take the letter Aleph. When we add the Hataf, we get A. Again, A. Now the letter Chet. Let's add the Hataf, and that will give us Cha. Cha. Take a moment to look at the word on the screen. The word is pronounced Chagiga. Chagiga. The first letter, Chet, is decorated with Hataf Patah. Cha. The letter before the last is Gimel, and it is decorated with Kamatz Gadol. It creates the syllable Ga. Ga. Let's look at another example. The word is Aratzot. Aratzot. The letter Aleph with Hataf Patah sounds like A. The second letter is Resh, and it is decorated with Kamatz Gadol. It creates the syllable Ra. Ra. To conclude this Nikkud sign, we learn that similarly to Kamatz Gadol and Patah, Hataf Patah also indicates the sound of A. For this Nikkud sign, there will be no word practice, but you can find more practice materials in the description of this video. Later in this course, we will read a lot together and you will see Hataf Patah again. In the next lesson, we are going to be talking about Kamatz Katan. See you next lesson. Thank you for watching.